In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the GetFormly app. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for GetFormly. From the search results, make sure you select the official GetFormly website so you land on the correct page. Once you're on the home page, take a quick look around for a button such as Get Started, Sign Up, or anything similar that lets you begin creating an account. Before we continue, if you want to try the platform for yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description. That's the easiest way to get started while following along with this tutorial. After clicking the sign up button, you'll be taken to the registration page. Here, enter the required account details such as your email address and a password. Depending on what options are available on the screen, you may also see alternative sign-up methods, so feel free to choose the one that works best for you. Once everything is filled out, complete the registration process and move on to the next screen. If GetFormly asks you to verify your account, open your email inbox and look for the verification message from GetFormly. Sometimes it may take a minute or two to arrive, so give it a moment if you don't see it immediately. Open that email and click the verification button, or follow whatever instructions are provided there. This step is important because it confirms your account and helps unlock full access. Once your account has been verified, go back to the GetFormly website. From there, enter your login credentials and click the Login button or the equivalent option shown on the page. After logging in, you should arrive at the main dashboard. When the dashboard opens, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll typically see the main navigation areas and the sections where you can manage your workspace. This is helpful for new users because it gives you a quick understanding of where everything lives before you start building anything. Next, head to the area where you can begin creating or managing forms. For a first basic action, start by opening the form creation section so you can see where a new user would begin after signing up. Keep it simple here and focus on getting comfortable with the platform rather than exploring every feature at once. And that's it. You now know how to sign up for GetFormly, verify your account, log in, and access the platform through the website. If you want to try it yourself, remember that you can use the affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching.